In this video, we will look at how to set up product list modifiers. List modifiers allow you to set up defined modifiers that can be applied to products. Product list modifiers are commonly used within hospitality for selecting what strength coffee you would like, what type of milk, and how you would like your steak cooked. In retail, these can also be used for products and services that need to be customized, such as cake decoration, frosting type, and color as a few examples. You can set up as many product list modifiers as required, which can then be assigned to specific products. Individual products can have more than one list modifiers assigned to them, such as coffee strength and type of milk. There are two steps to creating list modifiers. These are to create the list of modifiers and then to assign modifiers to products. First, we will go ahead and create some modifier lists. This is done within the Lists section of the web portal, so click Config from the top bar and click Lists from the sub-menu. Now, we will go ahead and create a new list by clicking the New List button. Give your list a name, in this case coffee strength, and give the list a unique code you will remember for later, then click Save. After creating the list, you must then add some items to it. To do this, click the View Items icon on the appropriate list and click the New Item button. Enter the item name and click Save. Repeat this process until you have entered all the modifiers for this list. In this case, we will add decaf, half decaf, extra shot and single shot. When you have completed your list, click the Close button to return to the list screen. From here, you can repeat the entire process to create additional list modifiers. We will quickly create another one for type of milk, but for the purposes of this video, we have sped the process up. Now our list modifiers have been created, we can start assigning them to products. You can do this either individually or in bulk using an import. First, navigate to the product screen by clicking Stock from the top bar and Products in the sub-menu. To add list modifiers to a product individually, edit an existing product by clicking the Edit Pen icon. You will now see an Item Modifiers section below the product image. Simply tick the modifiers that apply to the product. After making your change, scroll down and click the Save button. If you need to apply modifiers to multiple products, you can do this via the import process. First, export your existing products by clicking the Export Records button and export product records from the sub-menu. Once the file has been generated, click the Download XLS button and open the file after the download has completed. As before, all we need to do is add the list modifiers to the Item Modifiers column. You do this by adding the list code in each row that applies. If you want to add multiple modifiers to a single product, simply put a space between the list codes. After making your changes, don't forget to set Yes in the Import Record column and save the file as an XLS document. Moving back to the web portal, click the Import Records button and select Product Records from the sub-menu. Then click the white button to launch the open window. Navigate to the location on your machine where your file is, select the appropriate file and click Open. The web portal will first check the contents of the file to ensure the data is valid. When ready, tap the Import button to start the import. After the import is completed, tap the Close button. Now we have updated our products with the list modifiers, the only thing to do is click Update Data on the register to receive the update. After adding a product that has a modifier, Register will prompt the user to select any modifiers from the lists. Simply tap the list name and tap the appropriate modifier and tap the Add button to apply. The modifiers applied will be displayed on the journal and printed on the order receipt if configured. If you need to adjust the modifiers applied, tap the product in the journal and tap the Modify button to load the modifiers screen. Make the changes and tap the Save button. Further information on product list modifiers can also be found in your user manual, and if you still have any questions, please get in touch with your solution provider who will be able to offer further assistance.